Here's the stuff that I have chosen to use for this project. This is some marble contact paper. I just bought 2 to be safe. I got some face masks, since unfortunately I have to do this inside because it's super cold up here. Some E6000 glue, a drop cloth just to protect my floor. And then I got these 3 spray paints. I got rose gold, black, and the diamond dust, which is like a really pretty iridescent shade. Some scissors, screwdriver, the new hardware, some painter's tape and some regular tape just in case, and some measuring tape to measure out stuff for the inside of the drawer. So let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do, especially if you're changing the hardware, is to take the drawers out, and I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. And remember guys, lefty loosey, righty tighty. That's how you get the screw out. So that's one. And I'm gonna go ahead and do the other ones, and then I'll come back. So all of our hardware is out, and basically this is just the easy steps now. So I am going to spray paint this desk slash vanity, and I'm going to be spray painting it all black with some pops of rose gold. So first step is to paint it black. Right now I have the Krylon Color Master paint and primer. I bought this because it has the paint and primer in it, and it's very easy because it's spray paint, so you just have to spray it on. So I have all of this stuff down. As you can see, I have the plastic tarp down, and I'm just gonna go ahead and spray paint this desk. Depending on the desk, I might do 2 coats or maybe 3. I'll just see, and then when I come back, I'll let you know. But the color that I chose was satin black because I didn't want it to be completely matte, and I didn't want it to be too shiny. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that for you guys, and when I'm done, I'll come back. The desk is nice and black. It's almost dry. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray the glitter blast on there, and that'll just give it a little bit of extra sparkle. So I'm gonna take the top off and just lightly spray the desk. And I'm gonna let that dry. But you can kind of see the sparkles already. I'm gonna let that dry for a second, and then I'm gonna spray it again. And this is the last step to the top of our desk. You definitely want to protect the glitter because it's just kind of sitting on top. So I'm gonna spray on the Rust-Oleum clear double top coat, and as you can see, it's good for wood, metal, plastic, and masonry, and it's a glossy coat, so it'll add some shine, which will make the glitter pop, and it will protect it. So I'm gonna add about 2 coats of this, and I'll see you back so you can see what it looks like. This step is done, and then we're going to move on to adding the rose gold accents to the drawers. So here's our hardware. they're really pretty as they are, but they don't match the whole rose gold and black theme that I got going on. So what I'm thinking about doing is spray painting that part, the white part, black, and doing the golden part rose gold. So you'll have the pop of rose gold on the sides and the black in the middle to complement. So basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the black spray paint and spray this first, and then I'll show you what it looks like. Here are the hardware pools. I'm going to actually decorate them with some black rhinestones just because I thought that would be cute. So I have the rhinestones, this, and I have some E6000 glue. And to spread it, I'm just going to use the end of a comb just so, you know, it'll go over evenly. And to pick up the rhinestones, I always use a wax pencil. That helps me move a lot quicker. So I'm going to show you guys what that looks like when I'm done. Finished blinging them out. This is what they look like. The only thing I have left to do is paint this part rose gold and the hardware will be done. Okay, and this is the last part of the hardware. So I put some painter's tape around everything and I made sure I tucked it in really well. And all I'm gonna do is take that same Krylon in the rose gold and spray it around the hardware. And because this is metal, I'm gonna spray it in light coats several times until it's completely coated with the rose gold. Here we have the rose gold and black knobs. Remember, they were white and a gold tone, but we spray painted them and then we blinged them out. So this is what they look like. And all that's left to do is to attach them to the drawers. And here we have our mirror. I've already taped it up so that no paint gets on the mirror. And I've put down this basically like a brown paper bag just to cover the mirror so I wouldn't have to waste too much tape. So I taped down the edges first because, as you can see, this is textured. So I made sure the tape went underneath, put this over top, and then I taped that on top. So I'm just gonna spray paint that black and I'll show you guys what it looks like. I'm gonna add a pop of rose gold right in here. So I'm gonna be using the Color Master Metallic Rose Gold and then just spray it around, and I will show you guys that in a minute. So while we're waiting for everything to dry, the drawers are dry. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add this really nice marble contact paper in there. So basically all you're gonna really need to do is just cut this to size and then put it in the drawer, and I'll show you guys what that looks like when I'm done. But I just wanted to show you guys this contact paper really quick. It's got this really nice marble pattern on it, and then on the back it has measurements, so it'll be really easy for you guys to cut it to your size and then put it onto your drawers. But I'm going to show you what it looks like when I come back. So this is what it looks like, everyone. If you're finding that the contact paper is having problems sticking, don't worry, don't panic. It might just be the type of material you're trying to stick it onto. Just get some spray adhesive, lift the corner up, spray it, and then smooth it down, and that should help. So that's done. So basically now all I have to do is wait for everything to dry. So I'll see you in the next clip. So since these shelves right here, these 3 shelves are pretty bare, I'm thinking about adding a little bit of rose gold on the shelves. So I will go ahead and spray paint that with the same spray and then come back and show you what it looks like. All right, y'all, so we're coming to the end I have my hardware here, and all I have to do is just like we did when we first started, is take your screwdriver and attach it to that. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then when I come back, I'll show you what everything looks like. We are finally on the very last step. I bought these lights from Lowe's. All I'm gonna do is put them up around the mirror, so I have some type of lighting system coming off the vanity. But these are really cool because they're puck lights, so all you have to do is press them and they turn on. And also they already come with batteries. I'm going to show you on the back. They come with all these batteries, and you could either, I think you could either screw them in. Let me check. Nope, they come with these command strips, so you can also just stick them to the wall. So I'm gonna do that and then come back and reveal exactly what the vanity looks like, the final product. I'm so excited to show y'all. I've been working on this for almost 2 days now. So I'll see you in the next clip. All right, you guys, we are finally finished. So I'm just showing you the mirror that I painted, which is black and the rose gold. I have the glitter top desk, which I sealed with the acrylic sealer. The desk now has rose gold shelves, which are really shiny and pretty. Almost forgot to show you the insides of the drawers. There they are, you guys. I started putting stuff inside the drawers and remembered I didn't even show you. But there's the marble contact paper. And the hardware, remember I blinged the hardware out, so now it's on the desk. And yeah, that is it, you guys, and my dirty floor that I need to sweep. Oh, and the best part, watch this. Bam! Look at those lights. And I can make them brighter. And I can turn them all the way down. So they're really cool. But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna turn these off. That is it. I hope you enjoyed my DIY. I have more DIYs coming up. Please put below if you have any questions. As always, I'm gonna put the products that I use in the video, and I'm gonna put where you can purchase them at, so don't worry about that. But yeah, that's it, you guys. I hope to see you in the next video, and make sure that you like and subscribe and hit that notification button so that you can see all of our newest videos. And I definitely want you guys to do that because we have some more really great DIYs coming up. All right, y'all have a great night.